Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3751i. I'm going to show you how to copy document from this printer. Stick the document you want to copy face down, then close the cover. Select this button once if you want to copy blank. Select this button once if you want to copy color once. The number of copies, if you want to copy 3, 4, etc., you need to press this button to the number of times you want to copy the document. So put the document you want to copy and also make sure you have the correct paper. What we have here is A4. If you are copying different page format, you need to use this button to select the paper and select OK to confirm. If you look on the screen, it will show you A4 is the paper. So let's say if you load different paper, you need to select this button. It will go to different paper, then you select OK to confirm. And it's showing us 2L size. But the paper we have here is A4. So load A4 paper, then you select this button again, go to A4, then select OK to confirm. So the paper we have here is A4. So once you load the document you want to copy, then you select black or color. Select color, for example. So we're going to copy this document, color, 1 page. This is the document we copied, color, 1 page. If you want to copy black, turn the document the other way, for example. Then go to the black. We want to copy this 2. Select black twice. 1, the number change. Select it again, the number change to 2. If you change your mind, you select this button to cancel it. So this is the document we copied. Black. Copy this one, color. If you want to copy the same information on the same page, then what you need to do is, let's say if you want to copy 2-sided, then stick the document you want to copy, then select copy. For example, 1. Okay, now to copy this 2-sided, you need to reload back the document on the paper tray. Reload it. Then once you reload it back, then the document, the second page, turn it the other way around. Then the next thing to do is you select this button for you to copy the second page. Select color and the number change to 1 to copy the second page. So it's going to use the same paper. This is the document. We copied this double-sided manually. So you can do this. You can copy the document double-sided. You just need to reload the document back to the real paper. Then reload the document you want to. Turn the document the other way around. Then select copy black or color for you to copy the document 2-sided. So this is how to copy document with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.